Hey, welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video to mention my new computer. So, of course, I've been using an almost 6 years old Core i5 Toshiba laptop that gave me a pretty good run and was an amazing laptop, and it still exists. But it was slowly getting into really being at the limits of what I could do. So this is my new laptop, much more powerful. It's also a Core i5, but it's the latest ninth generation Core i5. It's a Acer Nitro 5, and basically this has a SSD as well as a regular hard drive. It has a NVIDIA GTX 1050 chip as a graphics adapter for gaming, and I've took the day to kind of configure all of this and make sure that it's going to be ready for tomorrow's videos. So tomorrow, all the videos are going to be done with this. As for my old Toshiba, I decided that it now is a fast ring insider machine. Why? Because it's much more powerful than the older computers I was using for that. That also means that my old 17-inch computer will probably go back to a Linux distro, so that could be interesting. Or I was thinking of maybe turning it into a Android laptop, which also could be very interesting. So, and I would probably, be able to use that to kind of um, do more videos on Android on the channel that I don't really do a lot right now. So this is my new computer, my new work computer, and gotta say that it is really an amazingly fast computer. And actually, just going back to the old Toshiba, I find the old Toshiba slow now. Of course, I've upgraded. It came with version 1809, the October update. I've upgraded to version 1903, the May 2019 update, and the install went without a glitch. So that's my new setup, and I'll have a review actually of this laptop in a few weeks when I actually have used it for a little while. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.